Hello students, welcome to another video of calculating goodwill using super profit method. Super profit is the difference between the average profit earned and the normal profit earned by the business. The normal profit based on the normal rate of return. Goodwill can be attached only to a business which is earning above normal profits. So that is why we are calculating the super profit, and through this we can also calculate the goodwill at the end. So for this purpose, consider this problem with the help of which we can able to understand how to calculate goodwill using super profit method. So Abhinav Enterprise have earned profits during the last 5 years after providing for income tax, which are as under. There are 5 years loss or profit is given in this problem. We have to consider this for the calculation of average profit. Then the total investments initially in the firm amounted to rupees 4,20,000. Other competitive firms running similar type of business earn a return of 8.5% on their capital employed at the time of startup. So calculate the value of goodwill on 2.5 years purchase of the super profit. So this is the problem, and we have to calculate the super profit. For this purpose, follow these steps. First of all, we have to calculate the average profit, then the normal profit, and then the super profit using the formula. In the previous lecture, we calculate the average profit. We know the formula of average profit, so implement that formula in this calculation. Average profit is equal to total profit less loss divided by number of years. So in problem, whatever amounts are given, these are the amounts for financial year from 2015 to financial year 2019. We have to sum up that all amounts here and divided by number of years, that is 5 years. So the answer is 1,01,440. This is our average profit. Then we are moving to the calculation of normal profit. For calculating normal profit, the formula is normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. So capital employed is given in the problem, that is 4,20,000, and normal rate of return is also given. The normal rate of return refers to that rate of earning which investors in general expect on their investment. So normal rate of return is also called as expected rate of return. For a particular type of industry, when the profit is ascertained, at that time the normal rate of return is calculated by the business. So capital employed, that means the net assets implemented or available with the business. So we have to make an multiplication of capital employed and normal rate of return. Here the 4,20,000 into 8.5%, the answer is 3,35,700. So this is our normal profit. Then for calculation of super profit, use this formula: average profit minus normal profit. Average profit we already calculated here, that is 1,01,400 minus the normal profit, that is 37,500. So 63,940 is our super profit. For calculation of goodwill, we had to use the formula like goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchases. So here first we calculate the super profit, then the number of years of purchases which is given in the problem, that is 2.5 years, that means 2.5. So 63,940 into 2.5, the answer is 1,59,850. This is our goodwill. So friends, with the help of these three formulas, we are able to calculate the goodwill using super profit method. First of all, we have to calculate average profit, then the normal profit and then super profit. These are the three steps which have to carry first in case of calculation of goodwill in the with the help of super profit method. And then at the end, apply the formula of goodwill. Valuation of goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchases. तर या पद्धतीने आपल्याला सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड मध्ये ह्या तीन स्टेप्सच्या माध्यमातून कॅल्क्युलेशन हे त्या ठिकाणी करावं लागतं. In the next video, we will discuss about how to calculate the goodwill using capitalization of average profit method. सुपर प्रॉफिटच्या मदतीने ज्यावेळेस आपण गुडविल काढतो तर सुपर प्रॉफिट हा एक एक्सेस अर्निंग असतो व्यवसायाचा. गुडविल ज्यावेळेस कॅल्क्युलेशन करायचं असतं त्यावेळेस कुठल्याही व्यवसायाचं गुडविल हे एक्सेस अर्निंग वरती डिपेंड असतं. बिकॉज इफ देअर इज अ एक्सेस अर्निंग देन देअर विल बी अ गुडविल. जर व्यवसायाचा सुपर प्रॉफिटच नसेल किंवा नॉर्मल प्रॉफिटपेक्षा जास्त रक्कम व्यवसायाला नफा म्हणून मिळत नसेल तर त्या व्यवसायाला गुडविल नाही असं आपण त्या ठिकाणी म्हणू शकतो. त्यामुळे आपण सुपर प्रॉफिट आधी कॅल्क्युलेट केला अँड ॲट द एंड आपण गुडविल कॅल्क्युलेट केलेला आहे. सो नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेममध्ये कॅपिटलायझेशन ऑफ ॲव्हरेज प्रॉफिटच्या मेथडच्या मदतीने कसं गुडविल कॅल्क्युलेट करतात ते आपण त्या ठिकाणी बघणार आहोत. थँक्यू.